Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving straight into how to use teamwork.com for managing strategic alliances, the full 2025 guide. The first thing you'll want to do is to set up a new project for each strategic alliance. This helps us to separate the tasks and responsibilities related to each alliance and keep track of them. To do this, just click on the Add Project button, name it, and assign team members to it. The reason we do this is it allows us to assign tasks to specific individuals, keeping everyone accountable. Now that we've done that, the next step is to create task lists within each project. This feature helps us to categorize tasks related to different aspects of managing the alliance. For example, you might have a task list for communication, joint ventures, or conflict resolution. You can create a new task list by clicking on the Add Task List button, naming it appropriately, and then adding tasks to it. This helps us because it keeps everything neatly organized and easy to manage. The third key step is to set up automation rules. Teamwork.com offers the functionality to automate certain tasks, such as sending reminders for deadlines or moving tasks from one list to another when they're completed. To set up an automation rule, click on Automation in the settings, and then Add Rule. Now select the trigger and action. For example, when a task is marked as complete, move it to the completed task list. The reason we do this is it saves us time and ensures that no task is forgotten or overlooked. Now, let's talk about the Messages feature. It's essential for effective communication among team members. Simply head over to the Messages tab, write your message, and select the recipients. This feature not only allows for clear and concise communication, but also stores all messages in one place for future reference. Let me explain why this matters. Having clear and easily accessible communication records can be a lifesaver when you need to revisit past discussions or decisions. Finally, use the Files feature to store all important documents related to the alliance. Upload any relevant files by clicking on the Upload Files button in the Files tab. This helps us because it ensures all team members have easy access to important documents and can find them quickly when needed. To wrap it all up, Teamwork.com is an incredible tool for managing strategic alliances. It's all about setting up projects, creating task lists, setting automation rules, communicating effectively, and storing essential documents. Remember, the key here is to keep everything organized and transparent, which will make managing your strategic alliances a breeze. Thanks for joining us today, and don't forget to stay tuned for more helpful guides.